Welcome to the best picks. The best DIY lure kit is probably one of the most rewarding and enjoyable ways to enhance your fishing experience, allowing you to create personalized lures tailored to your specific fishing style and target species, giving you a unique advantage on the water and a deeper connection to the craft, ultimately leading to more successful fishing trips and a greater sense of accomplishment. Number 5. DIY Fishing Lures Kit. Introducing the ultimate DIY fishing lure kit. It's packed with everything you need to create your own custom lures. This kit comes with 12 different types of unpainted blank lures. Each one has a unique size and shape, perfect for various fishing scenarios. They're made from premium ABS plastic, ensuring they're reliable, durable, and strong enough to withstand countless casts. These lures feature internal rattle balls that create an enticing sound to attract fish. Their vibrant swimming action makes catching fish easier. Easily paint and customize them to create unique designs. Let your creativity shine and make lures that are truly your own. With sizes ranging from 2.93 to 5.15 inches and weights from 0.25 to 0.9 ounces, these lures are effective for catching a wide variety of fish species. What we like. It has many different types of unpainted blank hard lures to meet various fishing situations. They are made of premium material, ensuring reliability and durability for long-lasting use. If you are looking for a kit that allows you to create custom lures with lifelike swimming actions, this is the one for you. What people say. If you're starting to airbrush hard baits, this is a great deal, no complaints at all. Everything but the hooks comes in just baggies. The jump rings are hard to open. I'd recommend jewelry pliers. My son is enjoying the kit and it's great to find something that doubles as a fine motor therapy aid. Great product. Bought to do a few airbrush projects with my son. We had fun doing different patterns and designs. Number 4. Dovesun Spinner Kit. It's incredibly fun to create your own spinner baits at home or even during a fishing trip. Making your own lures adds a special satisfaction to catching fish. This kit lets you make 3 sizes of inline spinners, perfect for various fish. The bright, vibrating blades attract a wide range of predators. With this kit, you can create 10 spinner baits. The 3D eyes, flashing blades, and silicone skirts make them highly effective. This kit allows you to personalize your inline spinners. The realistic beetle and plant blade designs add a unique touch. It's a great gift for any angler, from beginner to expert. They can create and customize their own lures, or simply refresh existing ones. Step-by-step instructions and videos make it easy. The kit comes in a convenient storage box to keep everything organized. Remember, adult supervision is needed for children. What we like. This kit offers various sizes of inline spinners to target different fish species. It comes with instructions and videos, making it easy for beginners to create their own spinners. If you're looking for a fun and engaging activity to do with friends and family, or a thoughtful gift for a fishing enthusiast, this is a great choice. What people say. Product is exactly as advertised, comes with everything to make 10 spinner baits. Hooks are sharp, the wire used is like any store-bought wire, it's very stiff. Once you bend it, it will stay. I opened the box and made this one in about 10 minutes. Comes with directions. Only tool used was needle nose pliers and a tape measure. I've had the chance to go and try one out and it caught a fish. No damage to it other than the blade sticker came off as predicted. But all in all, it performs very well. Number 3. Dovesun Fishing Kit. It's time to create your own custom fishing lures. This kit has everything you need to get started, from spinner blades to hooks and weights. You'll find 143 high-quality components neatly organized in a divided box. It includes enough materials to make approximately 20 lures. Simply thread the spinner blade onto the wire shaft, add beads and weights, attach the hook, and secure it with pliers. It's that easy. The spinner blades and other metal components are made of premium copper with a protective lacquer coating, ensuring long-lasting performance. Design your own unique lures to target various fish species, like bass, trout, and walleye. It's a fun and rewarding experience. This kit is perfect for anglers of all skill levels, including kids. Just remember to supervise children when handling the hooks. What we like. It's an economical way to create your own fishing lures. The kit is easy to assemble, even for beginners. If you're on a budget but want high-quality, reusable components, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. For the novice to making fishing lures, this is a nice starter set. I'm so glad I was able to make more lures instead of just buying singles in packages from the sporting goods stores. The set arrived on time and is of decent quality. Number 2. Dr.Fish 1410 Kit. It's time to create your own custom fishing lures. This kit has everything you need to get started, from spinner blades to hooks and floats. With 1410 pieces, it's a huge collection of high-quality materials. You'll have endless possibilities to design your own unique lures. You get 100 spinner blades in various styles, sizes, and patterns. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for you. This kit includes everything you need to make walleye rigs, including rig floats, speed change clevises, and octopus hooks. It simplifies the process and saves you money. It's made with high-quality components such as stainless steel shafts, high-carbon steel hooks, and brass lure bodies. All this comes in a sturdy tackle box for easy storage and organization. The kit includes spinner blades, hooks, clevises, shafts, lure bodies, floats, and beads. Everything is neatly organized in a convenient tackle box. What we like. This kit includes a massive amount of lure-making supplies, offering a wide variety of styles and sizes. Everything is neatly organized in a convenient tackle box. If you need a comprehensive kit with all the essentials for making various lures, this is the one. What people say. Works great for building walleye bottom bouncer rigs, everything you need plus some. Everything came in a decent tackle box for organization. A separate tackle box was bought for the final products. The kit is good, except the wire that comes with it is useless. I cannot use it and now I've got to wait till I find proper wire. Number 1. OROOTL Spinner Kit. It has everything you need to get started: blades, hooks, bodies, and tools. You'll be crafting your own custom lures in no time. The blades, bodies, and other components are made from durable, anti-rust materials. It's built to last and withstand repeated use. Watch it spin and flex. The blades create vibrations and flashes that attract fish. It's designed to increase your catch rate. Unleash your creativity and make your own unique lures. It's a fun and rewarding way to personalize your fishing experience. Looking for a thoughtful gift for the fishing enthusiast in your life? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to be a hit. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. Even beginners can create impressive lures with this kit. What we like. It's a complete kit with all the necessary tools and components for making your own spinners. The high-quality materials ensure durability and long-lasting use. If you want a kit that provides a flexible and attractive spinning action for your lures, this is an excellent option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.